If you want to see how we convert this kitchen to this kitchen in just 4 weeks, please watch this video all the way to the end. Here is the project. It's a beautiful project, but before of that, it wasn't even close. I'm gonna go over the before first. After that, I'm going over the details that probably you've never seen it in any other kitchens. Okay, let's go over the before. Before, we had the wall here. It was separating the kitchen from the other area to make the kitchen much smaller. We had a sink here, a smaller sink, and it was in front of the window, but was very small and not nice. And we had a 36-inch range with the stainless steel wood on top. Cabinet didn't go all the way to the ceiling. Here we had a refrigerator. We had like a walk-in pantry, and we removed that walk-in pantry to give a little bit nicer and bigger space here to the dining room and make the kitchen a little bit more bigger. 130 feet LVL beam going all the way through here, another LVL beam going there to make this happen. Okay, let me go over the detail of this kitchen. These details, you never seen it, and I promise you, you don't waste your time. Okay, let me start from here. This is the island. It's a beautiful island. It has a very nice walnut extension table on this island that people can sit here. It's dropped down that people can sit easily around it and have a dinner, breakfast, and everything. And this part of the island, we make the very nice 3-inch thickness Dekton. Okay, we fake it and put the very nice under candle lighting under it and make the kitchen a little bit look nicer and more luxury feeling. On this part, I'm gonna go over coffee machine. This is a beautiful built-in Wolf coffee machine that you can make any kind of coffee from it. Any kind of coffee from the latte, cappuccino, espresso, any kind. You put your beans there and it's doing everything by itself. It has a different, separate milk dispenser that it attached and it can go easily to the fridge, and after that you can push it back. I'm gonna go over this fridge too. We have a very nice drawer fridge next to that coffee machine to put all the milk and this stuff, and this milk dispenser here. This is the beautiful coffee station area that we have here, and it's all with stone. We use the 8mm stone for all around it and back of it from Dekton to make it a little bit look nicer, and people can see it better. We have a beautiful cabinet, uplift cabinet, walnut color that push to open. You push it, it's gonna be open with a very nice long hinges here, and we have two beautiful spotlight on top of it and under it. We do have a very nice, they call it hidden outlet here. It's circular. It's melting inside this backsplash. Is very nice. I highly recommend this kind of outlet instead of the big bad outlet. We have 3 different outlets in this kitchen that I'm gonna go over all of it. Here is one of the favorite part of this kitchen for me. Drawer with the glass boxes. You can see it here and here. It's all glass boxes and drawers. Everything is push to open and soft close. This glass boxes is gonna make your drawer much more fancy and nice, and you can see a little bit better. Here we do have a beautiful speed oven. This is speed oven. You can use whatever use for the microwave or oven or combination of microwave and oven to make the cooking much faster. It's beautiful and nice. You can use it as a beautiful professional oven too. Here, it's one of the luxurious and nicest part of the kitchen is a metal door, one-piece metal door cabinet, black metal door with the walnut interior and black shelf, built-in light on it. These are the features that I recommend on the kitchen to break down the kitchen look. We do have a beautiful warmer drawer. This warmer drawer is from Jennair. It's a very nice one. The difference between this warmer drawer and other warmer drawers is it has a very nice roasting mode that I roasted beef brisket and lots of other things on it. It's beautiful. I never seen something like that. I highly recommend this warmer drawer because you can use it somehow as an oven too, but very slow cooking oven. Here is another feature that I want to go over it. We do have a cabinet, a stack cabinet, but the door of this cabinet is 2 inch longer than the box. Because of that, we can have a hidden outlet here on this part, and this hidden outlet allows us to don't any hole on the backsplash, and is much nicer. All happened because of this hidden bottom of the cabinet. And we do have a very nice utensil drawer. Both sides of the range, one side is utensil, one side is a spice rack. I highly recommend utensil because you can put all dirty, ugly utensils here and oils there. On the bottom of it is very nice, it's beautiful, and full of the spice rack here too. I do have a 48-inch wall range, all gas, because I do have an oven, electric oven too. Electric oven is really good for the baking. Gas is good for cooking. I really like it. It's very fast to heat up, and I highly recommend wall range. It's very nice. The other thing that I think is the masterpiece of this kitchen is this Dekton countertop hood. This Dekton hood, it's made with the Dekton, and we have a very nice inset on it with the outdoor engine. You have different light setup, different suction setup. It's very nice, beautiful. It makes the kitchen nicer and more pop. The other part of this kitchen is this island, and the island I do have a very nice oven. This is the M series Wolf oven. The nice thing about this oven is coming up to 550 Fahrenheit temperature. It's really good for baking pizza. You can make a pizza that crust is crispy and nice, but is juicy at the end of it. It has different modes. You can make the beef jerky on it, or you can go all the way to the pizza. I really like it. It's completely different oven with the other ovens that I have used before. This is a very nice metal trash can. The function of metal trash can is much easier to clean, and I really like it. I think this is one of the best feature that you can have in the kitchen. We do have a very nice, beautiful 48-inch workstation. You can chop on it, you can wash on it, you have a drying rack, and it has in the middle of the side of it, it has a little bit of separator, which is beautiful and nice, with the push button for the garbage disposal. This is a dishwasher, built-in dishwasher. All the appliances in this kitchen is built-in. It means they are hidden and they are on the back panel of the cabinet. This is a Cove dishwasher. It's very nice, beautiful, very good cleaning on it, and the system is a little bit different with other dishwashers. I highly recommend it. The other thing is pop-up outlet. This pop-up outlet has different USB, USB-C, and regular USB and regular outlet, and you can put your phone here. Is charging it wirelessly. The other part of this kitchen that I want to go over it is the 48-inch Sub-Zero refrigerator with the French door. This is gonna give you much better opening for the fridge, and I highly recommend this kind of fridge. Any built-in fridge, I highly recommend it. Right now, this Sub-Zero fridge, if I keep the lettuce on my previous fridge for 2 weeks, this is gonna keep it for 3 weeks fresh in this kitchen. And this is what I really like about it, and I highly recommend built-in fridge because usually you can keep the food a little longer on. This is the beautiful pantry that coming with the metal roll-out shelves. All the roll-out shelves here are metal, and because they are stronger and nicer and a little bit taller, make it a little bit more functional. You can put more stuff on it. The other thing about this kitchen is this like bar area that we have the wine cooler and this stuff. Nice floating shelf. with walnut wood and this part. One of the most functional part of this kitchen. This is the water filtration system and with instant hot water. If you click on it, you can see the hot water. You can have it instantly. It's really good for the families that drink lots of tea every day because it has two different temperatures. And we have a very beautiful niche here too that make a little bit of accent when you enter to the house. The dining room wasn't look like that. The other part of the house wasn't look like that. And I'm gonna go over all of it in the separate video. Like and subscribe our channel, and you will see much more informational remodeling video. Comment me below what kind of video you are looking for that I make it for you.